Hi, I'm Ayana Woods, founder of The Fancy Factory. We're excited about your product business. Well, what is private label manufacturing? Private label manufacturing is when a third party manufactures a product and you brand it and label it as your own. Do you love fancy free products? Do you want to sell them? Well, we're here to help you. We offer 3 tier levels of service. The first tier level is Tier 1, where we sell the product by the gallon. Tier 2 is when we sell the product, we manufacture it, and we package it for you, and you will receive an unlabeled product for you to label yourself. Tier 3 level service is we manufacture, package, and label the product for you, and you will receive a retail-ready product. All of these products can be ordered directly from fancyfreefactory.com. You want something a little different than what you see on the site? Well, we can customize some of the formulas and packaging for your needs. So if you're looking for different packaging or different scents, you can fill out the customization form that will be sent to you, and we will determine the cost per unit, and we'll set you up with an online account so you can order those customized products directly from fancyfreefactory.com. Thank you for trusting us with your product business. We look forward to working on your project.